spacious living and the dining space. So you can add up your L-shaped platform like this. Explore this room. This is the most spacious room of the house. Imagine having your own home without sharing a single wall and waking up to greenery with lake view right next door. That's Suraksha Whispering View. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. I'm your host Jetal and today we'll be doing the 3 BHK sample flight tour of Suraksha Whispering View by Suraksha Group located in Begur, South Bangalore. So we are here on the actual site of the project and let me show you the surrounding. So I'm standing inside the land parcel and on my right hand side we have the main entrance. And the land parcel starts from here itself. The marketing office is on my left hand side over here where you can check out the 3D model and even the model flat which is ready just for you. Now let me introduce you all to Housey, what exactly Housey is and what it does. So Housey is nothing but India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry where your contact number is shared with multiple brokers resulting in too many phone calls, well, you no need to worry now because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey the listing is done by builders and not the broker. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's start with project overview. Whispering Waves is spread across 3.39 acres of land parcel consisting of 3 residential towers, each rising from basement ground and goes up to 11 floors, where you have 2, 3 and 4 BHK luxury homes, which comes up with 70% of open space in your community with no common walls and 100% Vastu compliant units. Coming to the amenities part, and our project offers you 40 plus world-class amenities. Kids play area, open gymnasium with a swimming pool, basketball court, box cricket, herb garden, sitting pavilion and many more. Now about the location part, so our project is located right up to Nice Ring Road in Begur, South Bangalore. So let me show you the neighborhood of our project where on my right hand side we have the main entrance and this road on my back hand side will take you towards Electronic City flyover and the opposite side road will take you towards Nice Ring Road. Now let's discuss about the further connectivity part. So you can connect to Nice Ring Road that is within 1 kilometer of our project and about the Royal Meenakshi Mall that is 5.5 kilometers away. Singasandra metro station is 2.3 kilometers away from our project. So now let's have a look at your 3 BHK model flat of 1850 square feet super built up area and let's start our walkthrough of the model flat, which comes up with an 8-feet door with a digital door lock perfect for your security, and even here the privacy is taken care of with the foyer area. So here you can place your shoe rack and even your own decors. Now this foyer area will lead you towards your spacious living and the dining space. So this how you can place your sofa set, your couch and even a teapot, and even you can place your TV unit right in front over here. We have a connecting balcony as well. So now let's explore your balcony. So basically this is not just a balcony but a huge deck area which will be coming up with the anti-skid flooring, iron railing giving you 2-side open view. You can use the space in a multi-purpose way. You can add your plantation, you can add up your dining table like this over here for the breakfast and even you can place your home setup. Now we'll be exploring your kitchen area. So basically moving towards your kitchen, we have a kitchen right in front over here. Basically, your kitchen and even in living and dining space, they are offering you the vitrified matte finishing flooring. You can add up your L-shaped platform like this. We have a window perfect for ventilation and lighting purpose in your kitchen area where you can fit in your sink like this over here. Additionally, talking about your utility space, so here we have the utility area which comes up with anti-skid flooring. We have a window inside. Here's the provision for your machine as well. This is the window for ventilation and lighting purpose in your utility space. Now let's check out your dining space. So just adjacent to your kitchen area with the easy access, we have a dining area over here. So easily you can fit in your 6-seater of dining table like this. Here we have a sink space as well. Are you the one who is looking to buy a home in Bangalore? If yes, then Housey is here with its new series called Rights of Home Buyers. As many home buyers are not aware of their basic right. For example, if you purchase a home by paying a token amount and later on cancel your booking, in this situation, how much amount a builder can legally deduct? Or else even after possession, there is any construction related issue happening in your project. Is builder liable for the same or not? All this is explained in a very simple way in our series. So before you buy a home, you must watch our series. The link of our series is mentioned in the description link below and even in the I button. So go and check it out. Now let's explore your bedroom space. So your bedroom number 1 is right over here. This is the entrance, and once you enter inside, we have ample of space to move around. Again, which comes up with a vitrified matte finishing flooring. We have a bed space in the center of the room where easily you can fit in your side table and even you can fit in your work table right over here. We have a huge window which is half movable and half fixed with a mosquito mesh. Now about your wardrobe. So you can fit in your wardrobe over here and even your TV unit space right in front of it. Even we have a cross window for cross ventilation. An attached washroom. Here comes the attached washroom with anti-skid flooring and CP sanitary fittings. Moving towards your next bedroom, that is your bedroom number 2. So once you exit this room, beside this room we have your bedroom number 2. And here's the access. Once you enter, you can have a look at the space. We have ample of space to move around over here with a bed space in the center, and here we have a cross window for cross ventilation. Additionally, you can fit in your TV unit, your study table, work table, whatever you want, and here's the wardrobe space basically which is tucked inside so that there is no disturbance in your room over here. As I mentioned, we have a cross window there because for the perfect ventilation and lighting, we have access of your balcony, which is right from this side. So basically, this is the same balcony that already we have checked out, which is connected to your living area. So this was all about this room. Now we'll be moving towards your master bedroom. But once you step outside, we have a common washroom right this side. Here comes the common washroom with anti-skid flooring and CP sanitary fitting where the sink area is inside itself. Now about your master bedroom, but before exploring your master bedroom, I would like to introduce you with all the key features of Housey. So basically, Housey is here with actual location tour, with such sample flight videos, with the pros and cons of the project, payment scheme, EMI schedule and 360-degree location tour. So all these wonderful features are only under Housey.com. What are you waiting for? Schedule your free site visit by registering for free only on Housey.com. Now about the master bedroom. So here's the access, the entrance of the master bedroom. The door here comes up with an 8-feet door. Basically, each and every door is 8 feet. Now once you enter, let's explore this room. This is the most spacious room of the house. The uniqueness of master bedroom is the flooring. That is the wooden flooring. And here's the bed space in the center of the room where easily you can fit in your side table. Here we have the wardrobe, the massive wardrobe where you can place the wall-to-wall wardrobe like this. Here comes a window with a mosquito mesh, perfect for ventilation and lighting purpose. This side you can place your TV unit and even the work table. Talking about the master washroom, yes, we have the master washroom right this side, which comes up with anti-skid flooring and CP sanitary fittings. So now this was all about your 3 BHK model flat at this project. How was it? Do let me know in the comment section below. And as you all know, we are here at Suraksha Group's project. Have you checked another project with this builder? If yes, then again drop down in the comment section. If you're looking for more details of the project, click on the link below to download e-brochure and price sheet. Lastly, do not forget to give a thumbs up and do follow subscribe Housey.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.